Peggy 3.
When you inherit a piece of land, you ask yourself, what makes a great farm? So you drive to town, buy the best machines on the market. You work hard from dawn to dusk and from dusk to dawn. And you plow, and you sow, and you harvest crops. When you sell your crops, you have money to build barns, pig pens, or greenhouses. Start to dream big and invest in new technologies, and you create the most efficient farm in the States. When you conquer the States, you dream even bigger and decide to expand to another country. Italy, Japan, Colombia. You swim in money anyway, so you buy farms in all of them. Sometimes you want to relax. You hire more workers and get a high-end tablet. Then you contemplate the cycle of life. But soon, you jump back to work because nobody knows better than you how to protect the crops against droughts, vermin, or fires. And at the end of the day, you finally realize that what makes a great farm is you.